B part suggests that for a specific value of a, that is 4, find the equation of normal to the circle at P. It means that you have to go back to the part number 1 and look at the equation number 1 that you have constructed for this circle, this one. What will be the changes for B part? The author say that in the equation you have to put a is equals to 4. It means that here you have to put 4, also here you have to put 4 and do the simplification. That's the demand of second part. Let's do. First of all, write down the main equation that you have. It was 5x square plus 4x 3 minus 2a plus 4 times a square minus 11, which is equals to 0. That was equation number 1 according to the first part. Now you have to check for a is equals to 4. So plug in a is equals to 4 in this equation. That gives you 5x square plus 4x 3 minus 8 plus 4 times 16 minus 11, which is equals to 0. Okay. Then it gives you 5x square, 3 minus 8 is 5 and 5 times 4 is 20. This is with the minus sign, though, so this positive will change into minus and minus 20x. 16 minus 11 is 5 and 5 times 4 is 20, so positive 20, which is equals to 0. Now again, this is a quadratic equation. You can solve by making a factor, or it will be beautiful to take 5 common first. If you took 5 common first, that gives you x square minus 4x plus 4, which is equals to 0. And further it can be written as x square minus 4x plus 4, which is equals to 0. So making a factor for this equation, that is for example equation number 2, gives you x square minus 2x plus 4, which is equals to 0. This is first pair, this is second pair. Take x common, inside you have x minus 2 can be common, and inside you have x minus 2 again, which is equals to 0. So as a whole it can be written as x minus 2 times by x minus 2, which is equals to 0. Also you can write it down x minus 2 whole square, which is equals to 0. So this is x minus 2 whole square, which is equals to 0. You have to find the value of x. So x minus 2 whole square, which is equals to 0. Apply the square root on both sides, that gives you x minus 2 is equals to 0. That implies x is equals to 2. Now you have the value of x. You can find the value of y by plugging x is equals to 2 in the equation. So it can be written over here x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square, which is equals to 20, the main equation. So whenever you put x is equals to 2 in the main equation, then you have the y, that is equals to 7. You can check, it's a single step process. So for the point 2, 7, this is my equation of a circle that's given to me in the first part, and I have to find the equation of normal to the circle. So in order to find equation normal to the circle, definitely I need slope, and I can find the slope by differentiating this equation. So take the derivative of this whole equation, that is equation number 3, with respect to x. It gives you 2 times x minus 4, 1, plus 2 times y minus 3, 1, dy by dx, which is equals to 0, because derivative of constant term is also 0, so derivative of 20 seems to be 0. I have to plug in the relevant value of x and y in this expression now. After putting the value, I have 2 times 2 minus 4 plus 2 times 7 minus 3 dy by dx will remain as it is, and it gives me minus 4 plus 8 dy by dx, which is equals to 0, and my dy by dx will be 4 by 8, which is written over here 1 by 2. Now this is the slope of tangent. You know that whenever you calculate the slope by using a derivative, actually your slope will be coming as a slope from the derivative, right? You have to find the equation normal to the circle. So you have to find the slope of normal. So slope of normal will be calculated. If you remember in the book, the formula was given m1 times by m2, which is equals to minus 1. So you have to find this m2 actually. This is your m1. So when you put m1 is equals to 1 by 2 and figure your m2, that gives you m2 is equals to minus 2. You can check at the place of m1 you just put it 1 by 2, m2, or you can say which is equals to minus 1. Do the cross multiplication over here, that m2 would be giving to you, that is minus 2 over here. Now you know the value of m2. Use the main equation, that is for normal to the circle. I'm written over here normal to the circle equation, that was y minus y1. Y1 is 7, which is equals to slope, which is minus 2, times by x minus x1, x minus 2, because x1 value is 2 over here. Do the simplification, just multiply and make a group of similar terms together. Here y would be minus 2x plus 11. So your required answer would be y is equals to minus 2x plus 11. That's all about question number 10th B part. For the next C part, what you have to do, for a is equals to 7, for a is equals to 4, the equation of two tangents of a circle are parallel to the normal found in B. So here you have to find two equations that are normal to parallel to that. Okay, the space is very low. I will find the solution in the next video by making the space.